This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Mike Branson. This pleasant 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome with an open floor plan is move-in ready. Great location on the north end of Stillwater, close to Richmond Schools, the Cimarron Turnpike Spur, Industries, and Lakeside Golf Course. The living room features a stone-clad, floor-to-ceiling, wood-burning fireplace, vaulted ceiling, and new wood floor extending to the dining room and hallway. Galley kitchen complete with all appliances and a stack washer-dryer, plus there is a pass-through window to the adjacent dining room. There are 2 nice-sized bedrooms and a full bath downstairs and 1 large bedroom upstairs with private bath. The partially covered patio is big enough for entertaining and the backyard is small, easily maintained, and affords privacy with a wood fence. There is a dedicated carport and covered front porch. The association takes care of the front landscaping and exterior maintenance and grounds, so if you are not fond of yard work then this is super. Make this one yours before the demand swipes it away. For more information, review the details below or contact Mike Branson at 405-612-5347.